Much like that jolly man covered in pug puppies, we're going to be covering plenty of animals here on The Feed, a wrap-up of the week's best viral videos. I'm your host, Nick Dietz. Now, like I said, this is going to be a fairly animal-heavy episode. And speaking of heavy animals... Oh no! The cute baby elephant has fallen and he can't get up! But never fear, adult elephants at Zoo Zurich in Switzerland to the rescue! One of the main reasons I don't want a cat is that they get hair all over everything, and all my stuff is black. I didn't know you could just vacuum them like Bobo here. Whoever thought of that is a genius. Here's a kangaroo bringing back what I consider to be the lost art of the noogie. This is Blue the Roo playing with his best friend Trooper the Rottweiler. And if those two species can get along, can't we all just get along? Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Don't mind me, I'm just doing a few vocal warm-ups here. I'm working up my skills because one day I want to be able to do this. Meet Anna Maria. She's demonstrating her totally trippy ability to perform polyphonic overtone singing. Basically, she can sing two notes at the same time and move them all around and up and down scales. This is mountain biker extraordinaire Danny MacAskill back in his native home, the Isle of Skye in Scotland. Here he's taking on this super dangerous Coolin Ridge. And I thought my ability to dodge tourists on the Brooklyn Bridge was impressive. Well, that's it. I'll see you next week. Until then, you can see all of these videos in their entirety on cbsnews.com. I'm Nick Dietz. Follow me on Twitter at NDReports. And thanks for watching The Feed.